So I just arrived for summer vacation on Jeju last night, and now it's the first morning, the first sunrise. But it is looking quite cloudy, and the weather forecast also says that it's going to rain the whole time we're here, but we're still hoping it won't be too bad and we can do some outdoor activities. Let's go explore the island once again. What time are you? We're at the stone park now, as you can see here, but it's still raining a lot. It has been raining all day and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime soon.
brighter color